Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a GIF to your Notion workspace. If you've ever wanted to make your notes, dashboards, or to-do lists a little more lively and expressive, using GIFs is a super simple way to do it. By the end of this video, you'll be able to easily pop in any GIF you like. No complicated steps or coding needed. All right, let's dive right in. First up, we'll head over to Giphy.com. Giphy is by far one of the most popular libraries online for finding GIFs, and it's totally free. Open your browser and type in Giphy.com. Once the site loads, you'll see a massive selection of GIFs, ranging from funny memes to animated reactions, and so many more. You can just scroll for a bit if you want to browse, or if you have a specific vibe in mind, use the search bar at the top. For example, if you're working on a mood board about productivity, you might search for working hard or celebration to find a fitting animation. Take your time here and pick something that really matches the energy you want for your Notion page. Found the perfect GIF? Great. Now, click on that GIF to open up its individual page. On the right side, you'll notice a button that says Copy Link. This is super important. Don't try to right-click and copy image or anything like that, because Notion works best with actual links when embedding GIFs. So, go ahead and click Copy Link. That will automatically copy the GIF's direct web address to your clipboard. Now, let's jump back into Notion. Open the page you want to add the GIF to. It could be a dashboard, a tracker, maybe even your daily journal. Find the spot where the GIF will look best. This might take a moment, especially if you have a lot happening on your page. Just remember, you can always move things around later if it doesn't look quite right. Once you're ready, paste the link you copied from Giphy right onto your Notion page. Simply hit Command+V or Control+V depending on your device. You'll see Notion automatically recognize that you've pasted a link, and it'll give you a few options. Here's the key step. Select Embed Image. This tells Notion you want it to display the actual GIF, rather than just the hyperlink. And voila, your chosen GIF will appear right where you pasted the link, playing seamlessly inside your Notion page. It's really that simple. If the GIF doesn't load right away, don't worry. It sometimes takes a minute for Notion to process the embed, especially if the internet's running a bit slow. Also, if you ever want to resize or reposition the GIF, you can drag it around or adjust the width by clicking and dragging the handles on the right and bottom. Let me reassure you, this trick works for all types of GIFs on Giphy, whether you're looking for something funny or something stylish. Adding a GIF can make your Notion pages feel more interactive and personalized, like a secret handshake between you and your workspace. And that's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you've got any questions or want to share which GIFs you added, drop a comment below. I always love hearing how these tips help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.